Okay, I just want to say that I've tested my I've got the fan there, the VTX is there, so that works, but it runs for about a minute and a half or 2 minutes, and it overheats with the canopy on. So what I've made is right there, there's a little kind of vent director plate there that forces the air down from this 3D printed NACA inlet, NACA inlet, which really doesn't protrude very much, but it forces the air down that hole into there and onto the VTX. So when I'm flying, I won't lose video because it will stay cool the whole time. So that's good. The battery you see in there's the one I just tested on. That's Novonic 2200 4S, but I'm going to use in this format 18650 lithium ion. These are made by Eve and they're called 30PL. We can't buy them in the UK, so I've got some coming from the manufacturers, and they are 60 amp continuous discharge, which is more than enough for this. So the IR is pretty low. They won't get hot because it's not exceeding their operating temperatures or amp usage, so it should stay quite cool in the actual model when it's flying. I've got some holes underneath to get some circulating air into that, but the air from the front here goes and heats up, cools down the VTX, but then it flows through the back and out of the exhaust, so it's perfect. And I've just tested it with this simple handheld little cooling fan, ran it into the hole with the canopy on, into that inlet there, and that works. It keeps it cool, so I'm ready to fly now. That's all I needed to do. But if anyone was interested in the setup for this model, that's how I've got it done. I just want to point out, when you take the battery out, you can't pull it out from there. You need the room up the front to get it all the way out. So this VTX is on a little ply mount, so you pull that to one side, then you can take the entire battery out and replace it, and then you just pop that back into the slot, push it down. Easier with two hands, but I've done it. Yeah, and that's it. So stay tuned for test flight soon. This should be awesome. I've put some undercarriage on it now because I want to do test flights with the undercarriage on so that I can steer it, and if it needs trimming or whatever, it'll be a lot easier than hand launching it and perhaps going to hell. I've also got a 3100 kV motor in here now and a full 50 amp ESC, so it's got lots more power. From the lithium ion batteries, a 3000 milliamp, I should be getting 7 to 8, maybe 9 minutes flying with a lot of high speed passes and climbs. So yes, the same size as that, so that'd be excellent. And the CG is perfect with that in there. You've got room to move it forward and backwards if you need to change it, because with the undercarriage on this aircraft there is a servo at the front there, and it kind of makes it nose heavy if you're not careful. But with this battery, because it's shorter, I've got more room to move it around and get the CG easily. So if you're thinking of doing this, give that a try. It works brilliantly. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you like it, and please subscribe and like. Thank you.